How to use Claude AI and how it's different from ChatGPT. The Claude AI chatbot is trained on the latest real-time data and is accessible through Slack. Here, what else you need to know? Most people who use AI are undoubtedly familiar with ChatGPT, but that's not the only AI game in town. Another chatbot capable of advanced feature is Claude, developed by artificial intelligence company Anthropic and accessible through a free beta on its website. Claude was updated to version to this past July. The update brings with its several enhancements. Also, four things Claude AI can do that ChatGPT cannot. Claude 2 can process more than 75,000 words at once, a useful feat if you need help digesting a transcript, report, or other lengthy piece of text. You can upload a variety of files to Claude and it will summarize them or answer questions about specific data points. Claude can also analyze web pages and other files. Simply copy and paste the content. Unlike ChatGPT free version, Claude is trained on the latest real-time data, so it can answer questions about current events and topics beyond its website access. The AI is accessible as an app for Slack, where it can answer questions and create content for you and your fellow Slack workspace users. Also, the best AI chatbots of 2023, ChatGPT and alternatives. Claude 2 is also designed to provide more details, answer fewer harmful responses, better coding skills, and overall faster performance than its predecessor. For now, though Claude is available only in the US and UK, here how it works. How to use Claude AI to generate content. 1. Log in at the website. To get started, browse to the Claude website, enter the email address you want to use for Claude and then click the button for continue with the email. Check your email for the temporary login code sent to you. Copy and paste that code at the login page and then click the button for continue with the login code. You are placed at the chat screen where you can start submitting your question and requests. Second, ask your first question. Dive in by typing a question or request at the prompt. Click the right arrow button to submit it. Claude then serves up its response. Retry the question. At the bottom of the response is a retry button. Click that button if you are not satisfied with the response and want to give Claude another chance. So you can keep retrying until you get the response you like. 4. Copy or report the response. Also at the bottom of each response is a copy button. Click that button and you can paste the response elsewhere. There is also a thumbs down button that you can click if you want to report an issue with the response. A Facebook window asks you to choose a reason for the report, bug, harmful content or other. You can also provide details on what you find unsatisfying about the response. 5. Continue the conversation or start a new one.